What's going on YouTube? SRT Dad, and today we're going to be putting these AUXITO LED light bulbs on my 2009 Dodge Charger. So let's take a look real quick. Let's turn on the headlights. So y'all kind of see what they look like. I'll pull out the car too, so you can hear the HIDs. They're HIDs, you can hear them kind of turning on right now. So this is what they look like right now. Kind of has like a little yellow tint to it. But that's what they look like right now. I'm gonna pull the car outside and just turn the headlights on so you guys can kind of see. All right, so I pulled the car out, so lights off, lights on. This is the current HID setup, so we can kind of get a before and after. I'll go outside too. So I'm by this light post right here, so I'll park in the same spot after I install the headlights. But just so you guys can see, I'm gonna stand outside. Outside here. Kind of see like a yellow, getting a little yellowish. I don't know if these headlights have ever been swapped out before, but it is about time to change them. So let's get back in the garage. All right, so with these headlights, it's kind of nearly impossible to take them out from the back. I don't know if you can see there, but it's right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lift the car up and then just go through here, take these little pins out and kind of change it out through the back. So I got the box open here. It's kind of what it looks like. Came with some gloves. And there you have your low beam lights. That's kind of what they look like. So now the challenge is gonna be getting this bulb out in here. All right, so I lifted the car. I'm gonna kind of go in through here and try to just get the light bulb out. All right, so I was able to get the old one out. It was, I'm not gonna lie, it was a bitch to get out. It was just, I got my hand into the right side right here and just kind of gave it a twist and pulled it out. Although I did hear something dislatch. I'm gonna figure out what happened there. But the wire is in here. See, it's right here. Just don't know if you guys can see it or not. There it is. Just gonna plug it back into the new one and then push it back in the hole. Also, for messing with it, so the way you want to plug it in, obviously it's gonna be that dot's gonna be pointing down and the plug is gonna go right under it. So you're gonna put it in, it should be pointing this way. That way you guys know, okay? Because I was trying to do it the other way and I couldn't fit the cord, so it was actually this way. All right, YouTube, so I put the the first one in already. I took this corner light off just so I could see like in between right here. If you see in between the corner light and the actual headlight, you kind of see it going in. That helped me out. So that piece that you heard fall off was actually this pin. Kind of looks like this. So I need to find it for this side. I was able to save it off the passenger side. I just moved let me back this out. I just moved the power steering reservoir over and I was able to get it out, and there it is right there. So just unplug it and then just replace it with this light here and we'll be good to go. I have the car lifted just because I'll put one hand in and use the other hand to kind of get it in and out. But really, you should be able to do it just with one hand. The right hand, I use my right hand on both sides to get them out. To get them in, I kind of use both hands, one on the inside of the fender and then one just here. All right, so I got both light bulbs in. Was a little bit of pain in the butt. Let's turn them on and check it out. All right, let's see here. You can see. Bright white, LED, very nice. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm gonna go to that same spot and we'll do that little headlight test and we'll compare the before and after. All right, so do the lights up, lights off, lights on, very bright. Let's go outside. lot crisper white. Sorry about my voice, I'm a little sick. There it is, very bright. Well, there you have it, YouTube. Once again, it is AUXITO LED lights. You can use my promo code to get a discount. I'll put it on the screen here. They did give me these lights for a review, an honest review. So what do I think about them? They're pretty, they're a lot brighter than what I had before. These SRT8s come with HID headlights. So it's a little bit, you know what I mean, like old school. Not many cars use HID anymore. I don't think any of them do. But obviously, yeah, it's definitely an upgrade. They're not cheap. There's definitely cheaper options out there, and there's more expensive options. But we'll see how long they last. I'll definitely do an update video. But for now, I really like them. I'm SRT Dad. It's my 2009 Charger, and I'm out.